find all your news now, only on WTWO. Now, your local weather authority with meteorologist Dan Reynolds.
Well, your joint water tower forecast for Terre Haute tonight. There's still some rain around the area. 53 for the overnight low. Cloudy skies if you don't have rain on the Gerber Post Building's weather cam. Looking over downtown, it's dried off there. Now, we do have some rain in the area, but I think it'll be gone by the time you start your day. Now, this is just in case there's a school here or there that's going to be open at least, say through the morning hours, and then let out for the eclipse. So some clouds in the morning, fewer clouds by afternoon, 54 around 7 o'clock. Well, here's what we are tracking right now. Eclipse viewing weather, rain follows that. Dry next weekend, mild overall. We'll have brief cool down midweek, but just back to seasonal levels. Cloudy 56 at the airport, southeast wind at 14, pressure steady at 29.84. Rainfall just started raining again here at the studios. 2400s so far. We're adding to that as we speak. 2.51 for the month. And after a bit of a lull there on rainfall, we picked up and now we're in about 1.7 inches above normal. Rainfall around the valley so far. We've recorded midnight almost a half inch there at Vincennes. Flora had just over 8/10, so some pretty good rain. Lows comfortable this morning compared to a frosty Saturday morning start. 39 at Washington, 40 at Paris. High temps, look at 73 at Vincennes. Cooler north, cloud cover. 60 over there at Mattoon. Temperatures right now, most everybody's in the 50s. Champaign is cooled to 49, still 59 at Washington. The temperature trend for tomorrow, Eclipse Day, we're going to warm up. Push into the mid-70s from around the area. Winds right now coming in out of the east-southeast. 14 is the average at the airport, 15 at Greencastle. Now, big picture, there's that low-pressure system, and here's the rain that pushed through. Once this is moved out of the area, we'll have a dry Monday. Rain returns quickly, though, by Tuesday, probably afternoon. You can see regionally everything's pushing off. Here's locally on satellite and radar. Here's a look at Metro View. You can see we pretty well have some low clouds out there. We're kind of clearing things off a little bit up to the northwest. It's going to take a while. So we'll get to that forecast on rain or cloud cover here in a bit. Now here is the rain last 3 hours. You can see it's a pretty quick moving system. Put down some pretty heavy rain along that US 50 corridor. Here's a live look. Everything's pretty well calming down. Now, here's where we are right now on Futurecast. Clearing off back to the northwest, but we'll see some clouds pull back in around that low. And as we go through the day, we're not looking at much in the way of rain. The important thing out of all this is how much cloud cover will we have, say, about 1 o'clock, a little after, until 3:30 or 4 for the totality of everything. Right at the peak of it is the critical time. We want some clear skies. Rainfall from this point, maybe 3/10 down there at Washington. Now, we're going to make several stops here. This is Futurecast with the cloud forecast for tomorrow. Here's where we are right now. We'll go through, start your day a little after 7, cloudy, go to about the noon hour. Things breaking down a bit. Then, let's step it out about an hour at a time. A little after 1, still got some cloud cover out there. And then about 2, you can see it's diminished a little bit. Still some clouds around Terre Haute. It should be high clouds. And then 3 o'clock and after, still a few clouds here and there, but we may have that window, very narrow window, for some good eclipse viewing, because look what happens. You go later in the afternoon, those clouds build right back in. So we're not done with that. That means rain is just around the corner as we go into Tuesday, and that'll last into Wednesday and Thursday as well. Now, for tonight, we still have that rain out there, but it's moving off to the east-southeast. Maybe a rumble of thunder here or there. The severe threat's over. 53 for the low. Tomorrow, Eclipse Day. By the afternoon, we've cleared out a lot of the clouds, so keep your fingers crossed. 76, let's hope for mostly clear skies around 3 o'clock. And as you look ahead on the 7-day forecast, rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We dry off Friday, and a beautiful weekend coming up, Jack.